2 months after Algerian special forces brought a bloody end to a hostage crisis at a gas plant, the RCMP has confirmed a Canadian link to the terrorist plot. All along, the Algerian government said 2 Canadians were among the hostage takers. And as CTV's Ottawa Bureau Chief Robert Fife reports, those claims are now verified.
Since the deadly attack in January, a team of RCMP investigators have been trying to find out whether 2 of the hostage takers were Canadian. Today, the Mounties made a breakthrough on one of the terror suspects. We can confirm that Canadian human remains have been identified in Algeria, the RCMP said in a statement, but refused further comment in order not to jeopardize their investigation.
It's not only important to identify the individual, but also to unravel the network, because that network in place could, after all, recruit other Canadians.
Federal officials would not name the dead man, but sources told CTV News he is Muslim from Toronto with a criminal record. He was identified through his fingerprints. The suspect was not carrying a Canadian passport or any other form of documentation. About 36 militants aligned with Algerian terror leader Mokhtar Belmokhtar took credit for the assault. At the time, Algeria's prime minister claimed 2 terrorists were Canadian. One of them he called the mastermind, identified as Shaddad Mohammed Amin.
The terrorist person was named Shaddad, and Shaddad was a Canadian citizen, and he spoke with clear English.
Algerian media said the other Canadian accomplice was named Abdallah. Senior officials say the RCMP has collected DNA off another badly burned body, but they haven't yet been able to confirm if that suspect is a Canadian.
Canada's spy agency estimates about 50 Canadians are involved in terror groups abroad. Officials say the big worry is that some of them will come home and launch attacks here. Lisa.
Okay, Bob Fife in Ottawa tonight.